not bad. I just don't want to.
I'm on chocolate milk and microwave meals. Living life, brother. My favorite parts about life here is I'm just out taking a little photo shoot with my mini bike. It is amazing weather. Enjoying life and this mini bike before I get my motorcycle potentially. Maybe this month.
What you got? That's disgusting. There's a fresh one. Ew. This is why you have a mom. Just push them down in there if you can. There you go. Oh, that's gross. Thanks, buddy.
It's Saturday morning. I'm out for a walk with a protein shake. I woke the goats up in Stanley, but I don't like sitting around. So I don't know. I'm just gonna. I don't have my watch on me either, but I'm gonna go for a walk. It's very beautiful. I'll probably need to take another pill in the next hour, or else it'll start to really hurt. It kind of hurts right now, but it's not bad. I just don't want to go back to sleep, you know? So, whatever, just an update. I thought these were outside dogs. What's going on, Snowball? Well, alright, hopefully this is a good angle. This is the bathroom. For some reason, the same weekend I got my wisdom teeth taken out, I moved out into a house by myself. So, here's my family helping me move in. And yeah, now I live alone. Very nice so far. I'm a big fan. I might turn this around so I can access this better. Cool beans. Cool beans. Okay. Nope, don't look at me. Spin of the night at 7:30. I'm already kind of creeped out. This is my room so far. Hope we like it. Got a clock, fan going. Here's a bathroom. I already had a tour earlier, but it's dark over here. Maybe I'll get a flashlight. Turn on one of these lights. Because it's just creepy being here by myself already. Like, can I... Oh, that's the porch light. Do I really want to have this on the whole time? Okay, I've got a lamp over here. But like... Bro... It's a big house. With just me in it. Here's the official invite. Y'all can stay over, bro. Whatever. Going to rearrange some things in here, because this is just here. Got some ice cream. Oops. No, my forbidden spoon. I don't want to break this. I don't want to use a metal one. Alright. Cool. Just put that in there. Cool. Maybe we'll put one of those chairs out on the front porch, but I don't know, this looks a lot better. Do something with that too. And with that. It's 9 p.m. here in my house, and I am eating some ramen with some water, watching Sir Ronster on YouTube. We're going to bed early tonight, fellas. Actually, this is the first time I've put my... See, in this house, I could just do this all I want. My face is still kind of swollen, but we're getting there. I trimmed my mustache so it's not uneven. I want a motorcycle, bad. But I need to save money because I just moved into this house. And like, it's not that expensive, but I don't know. I want to buy a house in the future. Hello, gang. I've got this new Ghost post-workout thing. It's a lot. And it comes with a scoop, of course, but I can't really get that into here, so I'm going to do my little spoon method. I don't really have like a stand. Tomorrow, I'm getting that dual sport motorcycle, baby. Honda XR 150L. Oh, that's pretty good. Slightly bigger opening than my previous water bottles, I think. Still kind of making a mess. Very busy work week. Today, though, at the gym with Logan, I hit the back and by, and then I did a bunch of Russian twists. I did 75 of them, or something like that. Maybe I could just put this in here. Cool. All right, that's... And then it says to wait for the dust to settle. Welcome to my house. I know I've filmed multiple things. I just brought in my Xbox and stuff. Well, no, actually my Xbox is still out in my car, but I got a TV in here and the games, my headset. There's my controller. I think I have another controller. I've got my journal because a lot of times I write stuff in my phone for me to later write it in my journal. We'll wait for that to stop fizzing. And then I've got this right here with my lines and lots of money. So, yeah, I'm loving it. I love living alone and having, quite frankly, a pretty big house. But, of course, you know, like I said, I love living alone except when I'm sleeping because it gets alone. I was watching him.
Buddy, I didn't know you were backing all the way up. I thought you were going to back up and go.
Well, clearly I wasn't turning. Is this at a downward angle enough? No, it's not.
You're really in trouble if you get caught.
The image color to look. Right now I'm trying to set up a mount on my helmet. I took the guard off, so now it looks pretty clean. But I think I need a custom one to fit this right here. So, wish me luck. I mounted this thing upside down on my headband, so this is literally eye level. Now what if we're just... Oh, that's creepy. I was just watching videos and I'm like, wait, it's raining, so I gotta go roll my windows up. Of course I do this. Should I put this on my head and run out there without my shirt? This would be kind of funny, yeah. Oh man. I'm currently actually uploading videos onto my phone from my motorcycle ride and from just walking around the house like this. So I was just watching a surround sound video, but we got this, and it's the same color as mine, so I need to go ride that thing. It's a lot of gas you got there.
Davey, you're famous.
Oh.
Look, he's riding the motorcycle.
Yeah. Where's your glasses? Oh, they're on my. Yeah, I got them here. But I'm panicking. Do I brake? No, I can do this. No, I can't get it with one hand. Dang it. Okay, I gotta hold the clutch in and brake. Keep the clutch in so it doesn't die. God, man, I can't get them. Okay, I got this. Now just release and then. All right, here we go. We're getting better at it. Oh my gosh.
We're on a bad side of the hill. Get on this one.
I can't find neutral anyways.
Get on that one. We're right where you
This is kind of a gravel / dirt road thing right here. It's slippery. Have to give it more. First, now hold the clutch and brake. Several times. This is not for off-roading.
No, it is for off-roading. It's just
Well, not gravel,
right.
like
Not
loose.
gravel. It's just
Like once I got on the dirt, I felt like so confident.
you just need to remember that those skinny tires. You hit one little rut.
Yeah, I was definitely getting too
Careful with
confident.
that. You may have to.
That's way louder than before.
Oh, it is.
Larger intake, a 50mm throttle body, sept, and a tuner on it.
Oh, probably
I
not.
ran it for a minute earlier, but yeah.
I think that sounded like a premature. Cutout.
My bike is quiet. I can like zip by you and it's like.
That's cool. You can sneak in and out of town, man.
This thing is insane! Yeah!
Nothing subtle about that.
That's like a Hellcat, like doing a burnout and spinning off in the street.
I drive it to work and I have to like almost stall it everywhere I go.
That's crazy.
Sexy Honda.
My bike is up there. Probably the number one thing about this bike that I read before I even thinking about getting it was that it was really comfortable. Welcome to the middle of nowhere. Not really, like 5 minutes away from my house, but just thought I'd go for a little drive. I didn't, I just came home from work, so I don't have my actual gloves or my helmet, but it's pretty nice out. I got this long sleeve kind of coat-ish thing with some shades. It gets loud and kind of windy, but the smell of fall is already coming back to me. And that feeling, memories are coming back. With the first football game coming up too, it's like, man, everything is so different, and there's a lot of stuff that I miss from last year, but there's a lot of things where I'm glad that I'm doing something new now. Like, I can make a new memories with this bike behind me. Hopefully I'm framing it right so you can see it. Making new memories with this bike. I've got so much new music to listen to. All these people that I work with every day. Not everything is as bad as I think it is sometimes. So, yeah, I do miss a lot, but already this summer, so much more is coming my way.
So leave my sweater on the porch.
I just thought I'd share that. Right, Cookie? Much brighter and warmer than it was this morning. Continued on the highway. Gavin was following me. It's pretty nice. Just kind of zipping. GoPro view would be like right here. I don't need to yell, but hello, gang. I'm in selfie mode right now, so it's less. But feeling good. Just went for a little ride after going to Macy's little golf meet, and I got my chin mount. No, it's not on there, as you can see. But gonna go home, grab my play practice stuff and food from mom and laundry from mom. Go to practice, go to the gym, and then I can mess around with putting the GoPro on here. Yeah, it's kind of cold and I don't have my gloves, but I've been talking as if I have a GoPro. But
I need to get a mic set up, obviously, so it works better, but... Okay, putting my helmet on. This is... Oh, ow, my face.
The GoPro mount that I bought and ordered
Okay.
for $40
I can't see it, but...
did not match my very specific helmet that I didn't realize I had.
let me put some pants on.
So I taped that mount to the chin, and you know what? It works, but you're not gonna get a reveal here. So
I wonder how well you can hear me.
thank you.
So it's kind of blocking the ventilation a little bit.
Thank you for being here.
But